You desire that your article will be shared automatically in the group lists you specified. Per Facebook's guidelines, a Facebook account can share a limited number of times. We can enhance this quantity by employing more Facebook accounts. Today I will show you how to do this by utilizing a software tool that I provide. This tool helps me manage Facebook accounts. I am currently managing over 100 Facebook accounts here. Now I will explain how to do it. First, choose the post you want to share. For instance, this is the post. First, please obtain the link to this post. You can copy it now. After that, launch the software and set up a sharing script for the post. Although I already have one, I will share one. I will create a new script. After that, I will add this action and select to share this post. First, put the link of the article you want to share in this area. Next, you will need to input the content, like I am hello, hiya, welcome. Here are the contents that will accompany my shared article. You will have two options. One is to share on your personal Facebook wall, and the other is to share in group lists, FB groups. Here, I will decide to share in Facebook groups and specify the number of groups each account can share to. After this, you can either share in the groups of the Facebook account you are part of or in specified groups. Usually, people will choose to share in the groups of the account they have joined according to this designated list. I have prepared a list here and I just need to copy it. ID, or if you want, you can also copy the list of Facebook group links. Okay, then paste it here for me. Save this, please. Then save this. And select the actions you just created. Please save them. And now I will just select an account. For example, I will choose 6 accounts. And I will start so that all 6 accounts can operate together now. And you can watch this. When my section starts, it will open all 6 Facebook accounts at once as I have arranged. Every Facebook account will work in its own unique tab, fully independent and having no relation to others. Next, these Facebook accounts will start participating in the Facebook groups you requested according to the list you desire. The accounts will start drafting message content that includes the link you requested along with the content you set up here. You will post and all these accounts will start posting, sharing and uploading. And after sharing, you can view notifications on this software. And the accounts will proceed to the second group to share according to the amounts you set.